Good morning, everyone. I am your teacher Roshni Bhosle. So, children, today we will be learning about the names of different birds. So, let us start with it.
Children, you must have seen birds flying around your house, right? But do you know their names? No? Okay, do not worry. Now I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. A crow is black in color. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. A sparrow eats small food grains. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. A parrot is green in color. A parrot eats chilies. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. Peacock is the national bird of India. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Eagle. This is an eagle. E for eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Owl. This is an owl. O for owl. An owl comes out of his nest only in the night. I hope you all enjoyed today's topic on birds. Children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.